Hello, beautiful community. John and Lynn dropped off 2 old clamps that required handles, and I turned some old merbau pieces and glued them together onto the clamps. Hopefully John and Lynn enjoy the clamps. They also dropped off a few pieces of ornamental pear, and this one looked to be the hardest piece to turn, so naturally it was the first piece onto the lathe. First thing was to secure it to the lathe, and for this a faceplate was used. Ornamental pear is reasonably soft and easy to turn, so I used a 1/2 inch spindle gouge. The piece was turned down to a dimension to fit into a plastic bowl. I have quite a few plastic bowls of different sizes and shapes, and once the bowl was selected we mixed and poured resin into the bowl. The colour I thought was dark blue, but depending on the light and the angle that you looked at it, it was either blue or purple. It didn't really matter, both colours looked quite good. And after letting the resin set for a few days, we began turning with a carbine tool. And once the bowl was finished, we used up to 600 grit mesh and then coated it in tung oil. On the inside of the bowl there were a few paint marks. The paint was used to seal the end of the wood, and it penetrated into the cracks of the dead wood. It adds another feature to the bowl. Tomorrow I'm going to visit an old client who phoned up during the week, and he had a tree fallen down and it had a big burl which he thought that I might be interested in. It only took me a couple of seconds to say, yes, I'll be at your place this weekend. Once I get it home, I'll do a video for you to look over. The cook also asked me this weekend to cut down a tree, or cut it down to about 3 metres so it would bush up and create a bit of a break. It's on the boundary fence. I thought I did a good job. I'd cut most of it down and I'd left about 3 metres of the trunk still there, and I was starting to clean it all up and burn it all off. And the cook come home and pointed out that I'd cut down the wrong tree. It was a tree beside it, was a wattle beside it, which when I looked at it, it probably does need to be trimmed down. But anyway, the tree I trimmed down was a black wattle, and no doubt I'll use some of the pieces that I cut down in a couple of years' time once they dry. So I don't know who to blame. It was either the cook was pointing in the wrong direction, or I wasn't listening properly. I think it might have been the latter. I might have to start listening a bit more closely. otherwise we'll cut down the wrong tree and I'll be in all sorts of trouble. Anyway, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Cheerio.